On today's Disney Roundup, new experiences coming to Walt Disney World this summer, Disney reveals another Disney Cruise Line ship, and details are released for D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond! I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with Parks news, just recently announced, Disney has shared that new experiences will debut this summer at Walt Disney World. Along with the opening of Tiana's Bayou adventure, Disney has just shared several new experiences that will open all across Walt Disney World this summer. At Disney Springs, drones take to the skies above Lake Buena Vista with Disney Dreams That Soar, a summertime experience that will be a late night perk for visitors. The show will take Disney stories celebrating the joy of flight with drones choreographed to create designs in the sky and paired with a musical score and movie quotes. Disney Dreams That Soar will run nightly from May 24th through September 2nd. Over at Hollywood Studios, guests will be able to meet Joy. She's headed to Pixar Plaza starting on June 10th, where she joins other Pixar stars. She'll be in her new home just in time for when Inside Out premieres in theaters on June 14th. Over at Epcot, from June 10th through September 6th, a new summer sing-along featuring the songs and story of Encanto is in development now. This new limited time show, Celebración Encanto, runs several times throughout the day and will not only invite you to their family to sing along with some of your favorite songs, but you'll also spot Mirabel and Bruno on the newly opened Communicore Plaza stage. With that being said, the last walls in the center of the park are coming down in Epcot, as beginning June 10th, you'll be able to stroll through a fully transformed Epcot as Communicore Hall will open that day. Additionally, this summer, Animal Kingdom will be where the celebration is for the 30th anniversary of The Lion King. During the celebration, there will be a special menu of items to snack on and the Pumbaa popcorn buckets. Let me know what you're looking forward to the most in the comments down below though, and if you'll be visiting Walt Disney World this summer. Recently spotted, it appears Disney has further progressed on ride testing for Tiana's Bayou adventure. Over this past week, even more signage was added to outside of Tiana's Bayou adventure at the Magic Kingdom. The new signage says, "Sorry friends, we are ride testing only, opening this summer." Following the new signage added, it was shared by Drew the Disney Dude on Twitter, a video of cast members and Imagineers taking a ride on the log flumes for further testing. This being the first time people have been on the ride since Splash Mountain closed last year. Tiana's Bayou Adventure opens sometime this summer at Magic Kingdom, and by the way things are moving, I think we could be getting an official opening date for when that will be in the near future. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll let you know when that will be. Returning next month, guests will be able to pin trade with cast members once again at Walt Disney World. Over this past week, Disney shared that cast member pin trading will be returning to Walt Disney World next month. Guests will be able to pin trade with cast members once again starting on Sunday, April 7th. This makes the first time pin trading has been back with cast members since the park closures in 2020. Now on outside the parks news, adding on to the Disney Cruise Line ship fleet, Disney has announced another new ship. Disney has shared the very first details about the next Disney Cruise Line ship, the Disney Destiny. The Disney Destiny, sister to the Disney Wish and Disney Treasure, will have a first-of-a-kind design theme, heroes and villains, drawing on the legacies of beloved Disney stories, characters, and theme park attractions. The Disney Cruise Line and Walt Disney Imagineering teams were inspired by heroes and villains. On board, guests will encounter heroes and villains alike. Minnie Mouse embodies the spirit of the Disney Destiny, donning a heroic new ensemble, cape and all. She will boldly lead guests on cruise vacations. The ship is scheduled for delivery in 2025 as part of a multi-year expansion of the Disney Cruise Line fleets and the new island destination in the Bahamas, Disney Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. Now into company news, scheduled to take place this August, Disney has shared new details for D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event. Disney fans around the world will once again gather in Anaheim, California from August 9th through the 11th this year for D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event. Before the magic of Disney comes to life during D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event, guests can kick off the weekend's festivities at the first ever D23 day at Disneyland Resort on Thursday, August 8th. Both Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure Park will welcome ticketed D23 fans from rope drop to late night, featuring unique offerings for fans including a custom cavalcade, a dance party, special photo opportunities, and more. Friday, August 9th will be the entertainment showcase. Get an exclusive look at the movies, series, and shows fans love, and a glimpse into what to look forward to from Disney film studios, television and streaming services, live stage shows on Broadway and beyond. Join some favorite stars as they give a peek behind the curtain at upcoming projects, never before seen footage and art, surprise announcements, and special guest musical performances, and exclusive new content coming to the big screen, to smaller screens, and to the stage, all from Disney Entertainment. On August 10th, join Disney Experiences chairman Josh D'Amaro for a special showcase featuring the latest on new and highly anticipated projects in development around the world for Disney parks, experiences, and beyond. With global announcements, special surprises, and show-stopping performances, this will be a show that the biggest Disney fans won't want to miss. And on August 11th, Ryan Seacrest will host a special ceremony to celebrate the 2024 class of Disney Legends, 14 individuals who have made a significant impact on the Disney legacy. Filmmakers, Imagineers, artists, writers, and other makers will be honored in a spectacular award show featuring special performances and special guests. This year, the Walt Disney Archives is honoring Colleen Atwood, Angela Bassett, Martha Blanding, James L. Brooks, James Cameron, Jamie Lee Curtis, Miley Cyrus, Steve Ditko, Harrison Ford, Mark Henn, Frank Oz, Kelly Ripa, Joe Rohde, and John Williams. D23, the ultimate Disney fan event, takes place this year from August 9th to the 11th, and if you want to see the full list of details for the event, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Alright everyone, that's you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. So you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you in the DRU.